Hello, my name is Olivier. I'm a backend engineer in the composition analysis group, and this is a recording of a bug with the SBOM-based scanner for dependency scanning. So this is a template. This is an example project with a pretty straightforward CI YAML configuration that simply includes the dependency scanning job and a very simple package.json file with a single dependency. So when the pipeline ran on that project, it triggered the Gymnasium dependency scanning job, which succeeded and created two artifacts. One of them is an SBOM report, and the other one is a dependency scanning security report. We can see here in the security tab that two vulnerabilities have been created. And if you look at the details, we see that the scanner value is Gymnasium here. This is because the view here is filled with the data coming from the security report, which is where this Gymnasium value has been written. But what also happens is, for the default branch, at least for now, is that when the SBOM report is uploaded and the CI pipeline is completed, we ingest that report and we fill the dependency list with the information from that SBOM report. And what happened in 17.5 is that we've enabled by default the new dependency scanning feature, which is doing a full scan on the SBOM as it gets ingested. So you have actually two competing dependency scanning features happening in the same time right now. When the CI pipeline completes, you have the security report that is generated in the pipeline that is ingested and field view of the Gravity report, for instance. And once that is done, the SBOM report is ingested, which fills the dependency scanning view. But it also triggers this SBOM-based dependency scan. And this scan is actually redoing the same thing as what happened in the CI. But since it happens after, it doesn't recreate vulnerabilities because they already exist. But it might try to update some of its values if they are different. Like if it was a subsequent scan in the pipeline that changes some information from the vulnerabilities, like the CVSS information would have been updated, for instance. So we have this update process that is existing. So what happens here is because this SBOM-based scan happens after the ingestion of the security report, it updates some of the data. And one of those value is the scanner. So if you look at the scanner value here for the same vulnerability, but on the default branch, you can see that it's coming from the GitLab SBOM vulnerability scanner. Again, it's not a new vulnerability. What happened is that this vulnerability got created when ingesting the report from the pipeline. After that, the SBOM scan ran and it updated the value of the scanner because that's the different value we got from the new scan generating this vulnerability. So if you go to look at the pipeline view, because right now the pipeline view is solely based on the content of the security report, you will get the Gymnasium scanner. And as we're currently working on having as the pipeline view also working from the SBOM-based security scanner, you might see a consistent behavior, and the Gymnasium scanner value might be always replaced by the GitLab SBOM scanner instead. So apologize for the trouble about that. We'll try to communicate about it, and thank you for watching.